My name is Anna. I'm a neuroscientist, and I'm helping women who move to new countries and experience anxiety to get out of that. I wanted to also simplify it, actually. I wanted to kind of optimize what I'm doing, because sometimes you just share all the same things with just different people. And since it's been some years of doing that, obviously with some customization, but the background is pretty much still the same, working for everybody. I wouldn't say that I can like divide my life before, after, something like that. A lot of things, they were familiar, they were just better structured and more informative. Plus this, group coaching, right, our sessions, and seeing that lots of people are doing something in their own niches, but the structure is pretty much the same. That was making me willing to create my own structure, my own foundation for what I'm doing. And it's more like, here's what you do, here's what you don't. Here's what you're welcome to try, but it doesn't work. Here's what works, and you go for that. I kind of needed that go, no go, instead of trying it by myself. That was also a matter of not chasing those whatever likes, audience, and being crazy about social media. I'm not there too much, to be honest, and that aligned with me. Okay, so I didn't need to do artificial stuff for me. That's cool. And from another standpoint, there was never a comfort zone, to be honest. That was still something like chasing someone differently, trying something differently. Plus, you were harsh. Sales experience was harsh. And I do believe that this is something that also lifts up somehow in the mindset, first of all, the attitude to, myself and to what I'm doing. So I went for all these 50 plus initial interviews, like, not immediately, but constantly. So that was like, goal orientation. Here's your number, here's your goal, here's what you do, here's how you do it, just go and do that. And I guess that was an achievement, because I think this is something that is inevitable, to know exactly what you're doing. And that was quite a challenging thing, to get those people out of nowhere. And that was one. Second, to build the program as it is. To be honest, ChatGPT helped a lot with that, and it was an old version. Now it's like more proficient. And but at the same time, that was like dumping everything I've got, all of the materials, everything from my head out there, to structure, to rewrite, to create, to try with others. Then when I launched POP, so all the sales, it was December, I think, November, December. So January I launched. And again, it was like, ooh, I made something, like really, I'm like doing something. This is a nice feeling that I created something, not like I reused whatever, resell maybe, or something like that. That was something like, here, there was nothing half a year back in my case, in like July. Here I really made something. That was sense of an accomplishment. Honestly, there's lots of information that is everywhere. Just in AA, it's gathered in one place. Plus this real support, and for example, going through sales calls with the coaches, right? And there is not that lot of, again, this focus that goes towards a goal, which is similar to many people, and there's many people in AA, right? But it's important. And I would say that the lifetime investment should make sense. So that's what I did, even though there are other conclusions that I've got. But I consider that it's like my last, 9 months, 1 year, it was dedicated towards something, and AA, that was a guidance.